All right, I'm going to do just a quick review of Barnwell's chapter 18. We've reached chapter 18, which is in the blue book on page 113. Step 6, preparing for the consultant check, how to make a back translation. Now, you translators don't need to know this, but I want to review a bit about what the process is so that you're aware of how to prepare for a consultant check. A back translation is a literal rendering of the text, not a proper translation. It will not sound natural and will not help with checking the naturalness of a translation. The purpose is to help the consultant better understand the translation and discuss it with the translator and team. The back translation should be done by someone other than the translator, which it is, protaz, and it can be done orally or written. A back translation project can be made in paratext and revised as needed throughout the translation process. So that is being done. There are many benefits to using the back translation project feature and the interlinearizer tool in paratext, both for the translation team and for the consultant. So I want protaz to do an assignment. I want you to read page 117 and 118 and review and check that you are doing the recommended things on these things. And if you're not doing any of these things and you have questions about them, please message me. Okay, protaz. So the assignment is just for protaz. Page 117, 118. Okay, next let's look at chapter 19, checking the translation with a consultant. Barnwell states well that the role of the translation consultant is to help Bible translation teams succeed in their task of producing a good quality translation that will meet the needs of the receptor community. Okay, a good quality translation. The consultant provides guidance and support, trains the translators, checks the translation, and confirms that it's ready for publication. All scripture and supplementary information should be checked. In preparation for the consultant check, the back translation should be completed. Also, the biblical key terms for the book should be checked and completed. Okay, so the biblical key terms need to be checked and completed. Also, we went through all those checklists, and those are really helpful to complete prior to the back translation and the consultant check. So that's chapter 18 and chapter 19. So that's a quick review. And I'll go ahead and do another lesson since that was a quick review.